Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin now, cut power to the boiler and close the loop valve so water can't circulate while you work. Once done, relieve system pressure at the boiler drain or by opening a nearby radiator petcock. You want minimal pressure before unscrewing anything. Make sure hot surfaces are cool enough to touch. Then place a bucket and rag under the automatic air vent and remove any insulation around the vent to get clear access before you unthread it. With pressure low, crack the vent loose by turning counterclockwise, catch escaping water. Once removed, inspect the vent seat and surrounding pipe for corrosion or debris. This is why many vents fail. Use a wire brush or rag to clean the seat and threads thoroughly because a poor seat seals or leaks. Then wrap PTFE tape clockwise around the new vent threads, 2 to 3 wraps, to ensure a tight, leak-resistant fit when you thread the new vent into place. Start the new vent by hand to avoid cross-threading, then snug it with a wrench. Don't over-torque or crush the seal. Next, reopen isolation valves and slowly refill the system while venting high points to avoid trapped pockets. Once system is at normal pressure, restore power and run the boiler. Watch the vent for steady weep and cycling. This shows it's working. If you see continuous leaking or hissing, shut down and recheck seating and tape. A leaking seat usually needs reseating or a new fitting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.